Good evening.
I'm your host, Natalia.
And I'm Parker. And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. It's Wednesday, December 11th.
We're so close to winter break.
It's only 6 more school days.
Yippee, it's National Stretching Day.
And National Birthday Day too. Yeah.
So do you get double the presents or something?
I don't know, but we should.
I wish I was born on December 11th.
Yeah, anyways, this is just a reminder to all you people out there that you should get to class on time with your needed materials.
The tardy competition ends December 18th.
And the grade with the fewest tardies gets to choose what party they want to have on the day as well.
So far, 7th grade is in the lead with 14 tardies, 6th grade with 20, and lost to 8th grade with 29.
What are you guys doing? Come on. Who do you think is going to win, Natalia?
The 8th grade.
Okay. Makes enough sense. Anyways, tomorrow on the lunch menu.
Chicken quesadilla.
Yum. Oh, that reminds me, there's a girls' basketball game today at Jefferson for the A team.
And boys' wrestling match at Colton High School.
Good luck, ladies.
And gents. Speaking of sports, there will be an assembly on Thursday, December 12th, to recognize the girls' basketball team and the boys' wrestling. Plus, CMS band will be performing their winter concert for the student body.
Now that we got that out of the way, do you want to hear the joke of the week?
Only if I get to say the character of the week.
Alright.
Okay, what is it?
What do you call a fake noodle?
What?
An impasta.
I'm scarred for life.
I thought it was kind of funny.
Sure. Anyways, want to hear the character of the week?
Sure.
Drum roll, please. The Wutzler! Yeah!
Oh, I kind of forgot about that guy.
How do you forget about the Wutzler?
Anyways, I think that's all today from the CMS broadcast.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.